Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Those who are new, guys, thank you so much for joining. Those who are already here, thank you for your support. A big thank you to all of you for welcoming me into your homes and wherever you're watching this video from. Today we will be making stuffed chicken breast. Yes, it is super easy and delicious. Okay, so these are the ingredients and they will be listed in the description box along with the measurements. So without further ado, let's get started. So I've added 1 bag of baby spinach to a hot pan and allowed this to wilt. This process probably takes about 2 minutes. You can cook this on medium high. Then on to our chicken breast. So these are the dry rub that we would apply on our breast. Yes, we want to season. This kitchen is pure flavor. We'll set that aside. We will make an incision or slice the chicken. And I'm using a paring knife because this is actually easier to handle. Make sure not to cut all the way through, just like that. And we will do this for the rest of our chicken breast. And now we will take our dry rub and make sure to season the chicken inside and outside of the chicken breast. The paprika will add a really nice smokiness and give it a really good color. We will do this for the rest of the chicken breast. So now we'll go ahead and do our filling. So I'm using cream cheese and I'm using roasted vegetable cream cheese, and I'm using chives and onion cream cheese. Now these cream cheese are already infused with beautiful flavors from the chives and the roasted vegetables. Then we'll go in with our cheddar cheese, and I'm also using some pepper jack and our wilted spinach. Now we will mix this together, make sure everything is nice and combined. Now we will take the breast and add the filling. You add a generous amount. Now, if you have some toothpick, you want to close the chicken so as to keep the filling inside when cooking. But remember, guys, to remove the toothpick after the chicken is done. You don't want to hurt anyone. All right, and we will actually do this for the rest of the chicken breast. I also did apply some breadcrumbs over the chicken breast. And this actually, guys, it gives it a really good crunch and really good texture. So in a hot pan, I would have added 3 tablespoons of oil. I will be adding the chicken breast and allow this to cook about 4 minutes on each side on a medium high heat. Now we will flip that over. Amazing. Look at that golden crunchy exterior. And we will do this for the rest of our chicken breast. So now we'll take the breast and place it in a baking dish and add about 1/2 cup of mozzarella cheese. Now I'll be adding some marinara sauce, just a little bit, about 1/4 cup, right over the top, and we will bake this for an additional 10 to 15 minutes. And there it is, guys, our delicious stuffed chicken breast. Thank you so much for spending the time with me today. Do enjoy. Bye-bye.